Assistive Technology Software and Stuff for School. Chapter 1. Assistive Technology on a Computer. Assistive Technology for Students at School. dol.gov/odp/topics/disability.htm. ATIA.org, Assistive Technology Industry Association. ATAccess.org, the Alliance for Technology Access. The ATA is a network that is devoted to making assistive technology more available to children and adults with disabilities. ATI-ALLIANCE.net, the International Alliance of Assistive Technology Information Providers. barrier.free.arch.gatech.edu, math and science teachers learn how to integrate computers and lab equipment into their classrooms to help special needs students learn. ClosingTheGap.com, articles about new assistive technology products and systems for disabled children and adults. newhorizons.org/spines/inclusion/teaching/sax.htm, assistive technology and inclusion. eduscapes.com/tap/topic80.htm, special needs and technology. fln.vcu.edu/ld/ld.html assistive technology. Discover how different software programs and other technology can aid your special needs students as they learn. freedomscientific.com, Freedom Scientific. Visit this site for information on learning systems technology and products for the blind or visually impaired. icdri.org/prodzrv.htm, International Center for Disability Resources on the Internet, ICDRI, Raleigh, NC, offers comprehensive accessibility analysis for companies and their products, and technical support to meet workplace, information systems, and website accessibility requirements. medicaldevices.org, the Medical Device Manufacturers Association. newhorizons.org, assistive technology for children. rsna.org, Rehabilitation Engineering and Assistive Technology Society of North America. dimenet.com, Dominet Network is a national computer networking system which provides Internet access, electronic bulletin boards and database information systems to disability rights and independent living advocates. Dominet currently serves sites in Taunton, Ma, Dayton, O, Tulsa, OK, Reading, Pa, Washington, Pa. asatechguide.org. Disability Software Info. Brainaid.com, Planning and Execution Assistant and Trainer or PEAT, for those with b-zone.de/software/lens.htm, displays a magnified view of the area of the mouse cursor. CameraMouse.org, a program that allows users to control the mouse pointer on a computer screen using head movement. downloads-zdnet.com. DuxburySystems.com, Duxbury product demo downloads. dyslexia-software.com, dyslexia-friendly e-reader and speech web browser. e-bility.com/wordq.php, provides help in reading words, links, and phrases on web pages for dyslexics. econointl.com/sw, speech-enabled accessible web browser. elr.com.au/apar, allows delivery of the APAR, assessment of phonological awareness and reading, from a computer using either a scan switch, such as the Discover switch, or conventional mouse/keyboard or touch screen. elr.com.au/downloads.htm, black window enhances visibility and reduces distractibility of other programs. Fills the screen with a black background which remains underneath other programs. Minimize or close the program to restore normal Windows appearance. elr.com.au/EIAD, the EIA system is a specialized web browser, suitable for touchscreen systems, with fully integrated web awareness, assessment, and training modules. emacspeak.sourceforge.net, provides a speech interface for Linux users with a vision impairment. e-speaking.com, control the computer with speech. assist.com, a free professional-grade screen magnifier and reader from Assist. jinglekeys.com/talking keys, talking keyboard, free software that tells the user what key has been pressed. lakefolks.org/cnt, click and type, an on-screen virtual keyboard designed for people unable to type using a standard computer keyboard. latkids.org, Life Share Assistive Technology Project, free software. links.browser.org, links information. Microsoft.com/enable, Microsoft accessibility. northerngrid.org. oatsoft.org/software/listing/repository, assistive technology software, OATS. projectpossibility.org, open source enabling software. reslockprinting.com/lizacomm/html/products.htm, software developed for people with limited mobility. sayit.com.au, scanner, orator, mouse, and speech synthesizer. senit.org, special needs educational resources including free software downloads, tips, tutorials, and equipment ideas. talkingdesktop.com, voice control of the computer. tap.gallaudet.edu/asciifaq.htm, taps ASCII TTY software. theabsolute.net/swear/index.html clip text. This program stores bits of text that you commonly need, such as addresses, and pastes them directly into whatever application you are using at the text cursor position. theabsolute.net/swear/index.html s magnify, 51, super magnifies portions of your screen up to 15 times. trace.wisc.edu/world/computer_access, computer access program. trace.wisc.edu/world/computer_access/mac/macshare.html, Apple Macintosh software toolkits. trace.wisc.edu/world/computer_access/win/share.html, Microsoft Windows software toolkit. wordtalk.org.uk, a free plugin developed for use with all versions of Microsoft Word which can help people with reading difficulties use Microsoft Word more effectively. Text-to-speech software. I use the free program Balabolka. You convert text to MP3 audio files. dolphinuk.co.uk, helpread.com. downloadsmachine.co.uk, Genie Talking web browser will read any web page, or you can highlight a chosen text and it will read it for you. freebiestuff.com/web_talkster.htm. live.gnome.org/orca, various combinations of speech, braille, and magnification. nextup.com, text aloud. nvda-project.org, non-visual desktop access. readplease.com. sayit.com.au. screenreader.net, free screen reader program makes it easy to browse the web, get and more by reading all content aloud to users. soundlinks.com/pwgen.htm. spoken-web.speaking.comtex-edit.com, simple text editing program comes with voices that can read back to you what you've typed in. text-reader.com. text-to-speech-software.com. theabsolute.net. weemdia.com, text reading software. weemdia.com/talking_browser.asp.